Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026 at 13:18, and we do have a update to the day 1 outlook now that we do need to look at here. So, in the outlook update, everything largely remains the same, but as you can see, we now have a moderate risk added for northern Texas. So we do have those areas now under a moderate risk, but everything else remains the exact same from this morning. So anyhow, let's go ahead and see what we've got for the updates. No update to the tornado risk, so the tornado risk does remain the same from this morning. The wind risk also remains the same from this morning, so there's no change there. So that brings us to the hail risk. Now we have a level 2 45% for northern Texas. That is what is prompting the moderate risk. So anyhow, everything else basically remains the same from this morning, besides that little bit there. So, we have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the level 2. San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Memphis, and Fort Worth under the level 1. Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland are now under a 45%. Shreveport, Little Rock, Tyler, Fort Smith, and Longview remain under a 30%. Memphis, Nashville, Jackson, Springfield, and Waco remain under a 15%, and San Antonio, Austin, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Louisville under the 5%. So, we could see giant hail in that 45% level 2 area. So we could see 4.5, maybe even 5-inch diameter hail. So giant hail is definitely possible today. So there you go. That's basically the quick update, but basically, like I said, everything else basically remains the same from this morning. The updated summary does say, multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms will occur across parts of the southern plains into the lower Mississippi and Tennessee valleys and southeast through this evening. Very large to giant hail, 2 to 4 plus inches, swaths of severe damaging winds, and a few tornadoes are all possible. So anyway, there you have it. There is the updated hail risk for you. And the wind risk remains the same, and tornado risk also remains the same. So that hail risk is what is prompting this moderate risk. But anyway, I really do hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you may be in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, have a great rest of your day, and I will have my day 2 outlook shortly. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.